Hello my friends. Welcome to my channel. I want to cook some very nice barbecue ribs with you. You are ready? Oven barbecue ribs topped with the most delicious barbecue sauce with a slice of fresh cucumber and bell pepper. Juicy mouth-watering barbecue pork ribs baked in a conventional electric or gas oven are incredibly delicious. Double the incredible flavor of the ribs with an easy-to-make dry rub that's made from peppers, garlic powder and mustard. Top the ribs with the seasoned barbecue sauce mixture. I do this in 2 steps. So don't stop at one rib. Finger licks good Brava ribs right here. Ribs and my recipe. Barbecue pork ribs are the perfect favorite for lunch or dinner on the weekend. There is nothing better than relaxing and letting the oven do all the work for you. The house will be filled with incredible barbecue pork flavors. Many American fans of my channel are celebrating Father's Day with a plate of hot pork ribs with barbecue sauce. Let's make the best ribs of our life together. I've been cooking ribs in a slow cooker for several years now, but many of my friends have asked how to cook ribs in the oven. I've made a proven recipe. You are ready? Oven American barbecue ribs, baked and topped with a delicious tomato puree and apple cider vinegar sauce. Pork ribs are so versatile that they can be cooked in the oven, in a slow cooker, or in the grill. Any method is good, but you should choose the one that you like best. If your family likes soft ribs with loose bones, you can use the multi-cooker method. But, if you love crunchy sweet ribs with caramelized edges, then this video baking method will be the best for you. You can see how to remove the membrane from the ribs of the back at the beginning of this video. I usually do this with a knife and a tea towel. But this is a controversial step when preparing ribs. Many people leave the chewing ability of the membrane. How to cook ribs in the oven. The easiest barbecue ribs are slow oven ribs. Prepare ribs. Rub with our dry rubbing mixture. See the recipe for this video. Spread them out on a baking sheet with aluminum foil. You can use parchment paper. Bake for a couple of hours, then use a kitchen brush to make them sticky. Pour over the barbecue sauce mixture. Cook for another 30 minutes until the edges are crispy, then pour over the barbecue sauce mixture again. Ribs marinade. Our marinade consists of only 6 ingredients. Barbecue sauce. Use good quality tomato puree or juice for this recipe. You can use a pre-made, smoke-flavored sauce or regular store barbecue sauce. I prefer to make homemade barbecue sauce. For those of you who love a little spice in your life, you can add chili or cayenne pepper powder to the sauce. juicy barbecue ribs in the oven. I recommend. See you soon. Thanks for watching and sharing the video.